This is the Energy Observer, the world's first hydrogen-powered, zero-emission, zero-fine particles and zero-noise vessel. It utilizes a range of renewable technologies and a system that produces carbon-free hydrogen from seawater to be self-sufficient in energy. In other words, it makes its own fuel from seawater. The renewable technologies used range from solar, wind and hydropower to forms of storage and batteries. While sailing the seas, the Energy Observer also harnesses the wind using its sails for maximum efficiency. Back in 2017, this first energy autonomous hydrogen vessel embarked on a 6-year odyssey around the globe, where it has made pit stops along the way to advocate renewable energies and serve as a laboratory for ecological transition. Hydrogen is considered renewable energy's best ally and is the most available chemical element in the universe. It reportedly has an energy density that's 3 times greater than traditional fuels. Plus, it also allows excess surplus energies to be stored and the irregularity to be offset. If this multifaceted vessel were to store her energy using solely traditional batteries, she would weigh twice as much. Currently, the 63 kg of hydrogen stored on board Energy Observer provides 1 megawatt-hour of electricity, which is equivalent to the average electricity consumption, including electric heating, of a 4-person household for 1 month and 10 days. The vessel is covered in 168 square meters of solar panels, some that are double-sided to pick up light reflected from the surface of the water. When they're at the optimum output, the panels catch 28 kilowatts of power, which is sufficient to keep onboard batteries charged. There are 126 kilowatt-hours of batteries on board, 100 kilowatt-hours for the motor and a further 26 kilowatt-hours for the crew, which includes light, heating, a coffee machine, dishwasher and a washing machine. The 100 kilowatt-hour battery supplies 245 kilowatt propellers that push the vessel at a top speed of roughly 11 knots per hour. Once the batteries drop below 60%, the hydrogen fuel cells kick in, replacing the lost power and guaranteeing that the vessel will continuously operate. The ultimate mission behind the Energy Observer is to prove that another future for energy is possible on a grander scale. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.